Welcome to 10 Sawmill Lane in the estate hamlet of Gormley, cradled between Richmond Hill and Stouffville. Welcome to 10 Sawmill Lane in the estate hamlet of Gormley, cradled between Richmond Hill and Stouffville. Far enough away to enjoy serenity, close enough to kick into full gear. You'll absolutely fall in love with this one-of-a-kind custom-built home featuring panoramic views. From the front 2 stories, you are overlooking the golf course, and from the back 3 stories to the ravine and protected forest trails. Built for comfort, another wonderful feature is the oversized breezeway measuring 16 by 9 feet. Enjoy the walkout from the oversized slider with large windows on either side onto the enormous deck to enjoy this backyard oasis. This kitchen is gorgeous. It is newly renovated and combined with the breakfast area and family room. This area now features a new open concept. This home features a finished lower level with a walkout. The separate entrance allows for this space to be easily converted into an in-law suite or nanny's quarters. At approximately 1,200 square feet, the lower level includes 2 bedrooms, a 3-piece washroom, a laundry room, a kitchenette, and a large entertainment area, plus tons of storage and a utility room. This home has numerous features. To name but a few, the new powder room, vanity sink, toilet, and exhaust installed in 2014. The entire house has been newly painted just this month. All new main floor Brazilian cherry wood floors, all new lower level high grade laminate floors, new light fixtures with a mix of existing lights as well. There is also a wood burning fireplace. There's an electric furnace with ducts newly installed in 2007. The air conditioner is 2009. The roof is 2004. It's all vinyl windows. A great feature in this house is the gutted heaters with guttered guards. There's a security system, a new hot water tank. A great feature is the Culligan water softener system, plus the water purification featuring triple osmosis. There is central vacuum, and a great feature is the in-ground sprinkler system. Thank you so much for visiting 10 Sawmill Lane.